Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how you can easily generate SSH keys and add that to your GitHub account. So no more you have to deal with the password whenever you are pushing the code to GitHub or pulling it from GitHub. Okay, that I'll show you in this video. So before starting the video, I just need to show you that this is my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe for this kind of software related videos. And if you want to learn complete GitHub, then you can go and check it out, this complete playlist where I have added a lot of videos on the topic of Git and GitHub, so you can go and check it out. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting any time. So this is my account which you can see right now, and if I want to show you my email address, okay, so I have to go to settings, and then here we will be having our email address. Okay, so this email address you need to add whichever is selected as primary, and this is the SSH and GPG keys, so this also you need to open. Okay, so here there is an option of adding new key, so you just need to click on it, and then here you have to write any name for that key for remembering. So I am writing home laptop key, or any name you can write randomly. Okay, and then we need to generate the key. So for generating, if you have git bash, you can open, or basically the terminal you have to open, and there are few commands what you have to write. Okay, after opening the terminal, I have just written ls-al and then tilde. Then I am trying to get .ssh files. So you can see I already have a lot of SSH files. So these things are needed for creating the connection. But in your case, if you haven't created previously SSH key, so this may not be showing to you. So for generation, you have to write a command, that is this one. You just need to write ssh-keygen -t, and then this you have to write exactly, and here you just need to write your email address. Then click on enter. After creating on enter, just it will ask for this location to save. Just click on enter again. As I already have my SSH file, so it is telling me, did you want it to overwrite? You just need to click enter once more. So after this, you need to run this command for starting the SSH agent. Okay, so if you click on enter, you can see a process ID will be shown to you, that is agent process ID. So after this thing, you just need to add the SSH key. The command is ssh-add, and this is the path what you need to write, and then click on enter. After that, it is telling you that identity is added, and then what you have to do, you have to copy the public key. Okay, so for the copying of the public key, I am using a command, that is this cat /, and then I'm giving the path of the public key. Okay, so you just need to copy this whole thing like this. Okay, up to this, then you have to go here and just paste it. Okay, and then click on add SSH key. Then it may ask you for password, and you have to give your password, and it will be done. After this, your SSH key will be added, and you can easily push and pull from the GitHub. Okay, we need to also verify that is it really added or not. So for that, let's first clear the screen. The command is this one to verify. So ssh-t git@github.com. It is writing my username, and then it is writing you have successfully authenticated. So it is writing, but GitHub does not provide cell access, which is correct. If you are getting this prompt, then you have done it correctly. Sometime it may ask you for the passphrase, so you just need to click enter 2 times, it will be done. If you want to set some security at the time of pushing or pulling, you can set the passphrase. Passphrase is nothing but a kind of a password. So let me open VS Code and run a simple command to pull the latest changes from the master. There is no changes, so it will show already up to date. Just I need to show that it is able to fetch and then show me this output. That means it is working perfect. So in your case also, I expect it should work like this. So if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely reply. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell notification for latest updates, and also like this video if you find it interesting. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.